This 2008 Cadillac STS-V is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Cadillac STS-V navigation system, power sliding sunroof, heated front seats, rear parking sensors, 4.4L supercharged V8 engine, automatic transmission, keyless and tri-keyless start, fog lamps, power trunk opener, cruise control, adjustable steering wheel, power automatic windows, power door locks, wood trim interior, black exterior, black leather interior, floor mats. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any questions you might have, or ask us for a detailed walk-around. We hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2008 Cadillac STS-V is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to visit us at autogallerychicago.com.